मेरा सवाल है कि द ग्रेजुएट हाउ वाज इट, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
आई हैड अ ब्यूटीफुल टाइम, बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत मज़ा आया। बहुत सारे अच्छे सुंदर डिज़ाइंस देखने को मिले एंड आई ट्रूली एंजॉयड ऑल द शोज़।
कलेक्शंस उसके बारे में आपने ऑब्जर्व किया, आपको कुछ अलग लगा लाइक फ्रॉम डिफरेंट शोज?
मुझे बहुत ही सुंदर लगा, बहुत क्रिएटिव लगा एंड आई पर्सनली लव न्यू टैलेंट अलॉट। लाइक मुझे नए डिज़ाइनर्स को और नए थॉट्स को प्रमोट करना और देखना बहुत पसंद है। सो आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम।
जिस तरह से सबने रैंप पर वॉक किया उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे? लाइक द स्टूडेंट्स हैव लाइक दे हैव बी एसोसिएटेड विद द एंटायर शो, द वर्क्स ऑफ आर्ट, उसके बारे में व्हाट डू यू लाइक टू से अबाउट दैट?
Yeah, definitely their sincerity showed a lot in the show and also their hard work. And I think they were all so pretty and so beautiful and so well curated. And I had a great time and I wish them all the best and my best wishes and good luck to them.
Like they have worked so hard, and so how are you feeling about seeing all their collections? आपकी मेहनत कितनी अच्छी दिख रही है उनके इसमें, उसके बारे में बताइए।
So as I said, students almost take 2 years of formal education, and then they go to make a final garment. And once they inspire on a particular thought process, the fabric selection, the print, the cutting, the patterns, all that defines a whole complete look. For that to derive, it is not so easy, because you are constantly bombarded with so many things. Today you open a phone and there's so many inspirations, so many things which is there. In that you have to create something unique and very different, and that design process is very important for our youth also. What I feel that in India we are not concentrating too much on design, and we don't respect designers in that aspect. We try to copy something or do something which is easier. But if we fuel the students or the entrepreneurs with design, and let them work towards new creation, then India will go ahead, because innovation is something which India has to focus on, and we should focus and inspire on new designs all the time. Thank you.
Sir, your top 5, if you can,
Top 5?
any 5 collections you have liked.
No, I can't say, because I will not know the chart full. Yeah. Okay.
I'm a fashion designer, but I'm also a graduate from the NIF, and it's always a pleasure and an honor for me to be here and watch the students' collections. And it's very inspiring to see, because I also started from somewhere like this, and now I'm also working in the business for the past 15 years. So I think it's always humbling and sweet to come back every year to Tassel and to NIF fashion graduation fashion show, and to witness this beautiful collection showcased by the students. Because I was a student once, and it's always exciting to see new collection and new creativity.
Well, thank you आप सभी को कि आप लोग आए हैं ये इवेंट कवर करने। ये बॉम्बे का सबसे बेस्ट डिज़ाइन इंस्टीट्यूट है NIF ग्लोबल अंधेरी, जिसकी ब्रांचेस बांद्रा और थाने में भी हैं। एंड टुडे वी आर क्रिएटिंग हिस्ट्री बाय शोकेसिंग अमेजिंग कलेक्शंस बाय आवर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ग्रेजुएटिंग, और उनकी जो मेहनत है, उनकी जो कला है, वो आप सब देख पाएंगे इनके कलेक्शन में। और मुझे लगता है कि ये जितने लोगों को पता चले कि एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट है जहाँ पे आप अगर एक सपना लेके आते हो तो यहाँ आप उसे पूरा कर सकते हो, तो मुझे लगता है कि डेफिनेटली ये सबको पता होना चाहिए। एंड थैंक यू अगेन एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग टू दिस इवेंट। थैंक यू ऑल। कितने साल से यहाँ हो और कितने सालों से आप साथ में क्या देख रहे हो, किस तरीके से NIF ग्रेजुएट को पढ़ते हुए आपने देखा? जी, एक्चुअली NIF अंधेरी के साथ मैं 12 साल से हूँ। सो मैं 24 की थी जब मैं आई थी यहाँ पर, तो आप समझ सकते हो कि मैंने एक अपने खुद की एक बहुत लंबी जर्नी देखी है विद दिस इंस्टीट्यूट। और जहाँ तक बच्चों की बात है तो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स लैक्मे फैशन वीक, लंदन फैशन वीक, न्यूयॉर्क फैशन वीक और दुबई फैशन वीक जैसे बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे शोकेस कर चुके हैं। तो आपको समझ में आएगा जब आप कलेक्शन देखेंगे और उसके इमेजेस देखेंगे कि यहाँ के बच्चे इंटरनेशनल लेवल की पढ़ाई करते हैं और उनकी काबिलियत होती है इंटरनेशनल स्टेज में प्रेजेंट करने की। सो या
Thank you so much. Amazing, the graduation show. Yes, I'm doing a fashion tour जो बहुत जल्दी हम लोग डिफरेंट सिटीज़ में कर रहे हैं फैशन को लेके, काफ़ी सारे गाने मेरे अपकमिंग आ रहे हैं. सो आई लव टू एसोसिएट विद द ग्रेजुएशन शो. बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ जब पूरा साल ये लोग बहुत मेहनत करके फैशन के ऊपर काम करते हैं और उनका प्रेजेंटेशन होता है. सो लाइक एंड सो हैप्पी टू सी द वंडरफुल आउटफिट्स. So thank you very much once again to everyone to promote and to new students to help them for national international level. So thank you very much once again. All the best.
Congratulations to NIF for holding this kind of pageantry show. I'm Krishna Tiwari here, Joint Secretary of Rahul Education. Recently started my podcast for the aspiring entrepreneurs, and I would be looking forward to the aspiring fashion designers who are actually working so hard to make this event a grand success. I would really like to host them on my podcast again, and I wish them all the good lucks so that we all will like to wear their clothes in near future. Thank you so much.
What would you like to say about the show, about today's show, about the graduation?
This show?
Yeah.
This is actually...
Center. Here. You can just look in the center.
Yeah, so this show is actually the showcase of talent, the potentials of the aspiring fashion designers. So this should happen, and yeah, this kind of competitions and this kind of shows, especially the ramp walk and the clothes what they wear, really excites us, and we enjoy the new clothes coming in the market. The new trends, the new trendsetters, the new designers, the setup. It's amazing. Tamji actually he invited me for this NIF pageantry show, this fashion design show. I'm into education, and he's also in education, somewhere in fashion education. And in near future we may collab together. Yes, sir. We may collab together in near future for fashion designing and technology. And the designers of the near future, we would like to encourage them for their new trend setting up.
Yeah, because the future is,
Yeah.
as I said, India has to be known for their designs as
And
well.
I really wish to have economical clothes with great fashion and wearable ones, especially seasonal ones, and when we are in Mumbai, we need fashion again, a very comforting dress. So like accordingly we would like to.
Yeah, so we'll
For
see
all
you all.
sizes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So more power to our design students, and looking forward. Thank you.
Good evening, I'm Archana Nagpal. I'm the design mentor for NIF Global, Andheri, Thane and Bandra for the last 20 plus years. And I've thoroughly enjoyed my journey of design, mentoring design with these upcoming budding designers. And I'm super excited to see what they have to showcase today. It's a lot of hard work which has gone in, a lot of tears, a lot of sweat and passion. Hope you have a great evening. I'm looking forward to a rocking one. Thank you.
You have mentored so many of your students in the last 20 decades.
Yes.
Now your students are going in and just doing their work.
Yes. Yes,
So
absolutely.
how this is emotionally, how is this
Emotionally, yes, we have actually nurtured them for the last 3 years, and this is the best parting gift that we can give each other, with them shining through with their collection and us bidding them a good farewell and wishing them a very, very bright future.
हमारा 13 साल पुराना रहा है विवेक जी के साथ, और बाकी और क्या जानना चाहेंगे?
आपका एसोसिएशन बताइए विवेक सर के साथ, NIF के साथ, ग्रेजुएट शो के साथ।
सी 1 दशक से ज़्यादा हो गया, और मैं समझता हूँ कि जब ये सिर्फ एक सिंगल सेंटर हुआ करता था विवेक जी का, सिर्फ अंधेरी था, आज आप देख सकते हो बांद्रा और थाने 2 नए सेंटर्स विवेक जी के ओपन हुए हैं। सो ये जो एक्सपेंशन है 1 दशक में, ये बहुत ही बड़ा रहा है और एक बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। और ये पूरा मैंने 10-12 सालों में मैंने ग्रेजुअली देखा है कैसे ग्रो किया है NIF ने, एज ए फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट, एज ए इंटीरियर कॉलेज, बहुत अच्छा रहा है। और डे 1 से हमारा एसोसिएशन बॉलीवुड टाउन आप देख सकते हैं हमेशा से रहा है, और आगे भी हमेशा रहने वाला है, क्योंकि विवेक जी का हमारे ग्रुप के साथ भी एक इज इन आवर पैनल ऑल्सो इन बॉलीवुड टाउन। सो ये है अपनी जर्नी।
आपने फैशन शो देखते होंगे, आप उन बच्चों को क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
देखिए, ये एक्सक्लूसिवली उन बच्चों के लिए है जो फैशन डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा भी एक और शो होता है जो कमर्शियल होता है, जो आज नहीं है। आज ये एक्सक्लूसिव अपने बच्चों के लिए है जो NIF में फैशन डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स कर रहे हैं। और ये हर साल होता है, ये एक एनुअल है जो फाइनल ईयर के बच्चों के लिए होता है। और कमर्शियल शो भी होने वाला है जल्द, उसका भी अनाउंसमेंट होगा। दिस इज नॉट द राइट प्लेटफॉर्म टू से एनीथिंग ऑन दैट, बट ये है कि ये एक एनुअल प्रोग्राम है जो हर साल होता है। और बहुत रेयर ऐसे फैशन कॉलेज हैं जो इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी अपने बच्चों को देते हैं। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि अपने कॉलेज के बच्चों को एक इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म देना टू शोकेस देयर वॉट एवर दे हैव डन सो फार, और ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है और ये कॉलेज के लिए भी बहुत बड़ी बात है ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी देना अपने बच्चों के लिए।
Hey, I'm Dharna. I'm so super excited to be here and looking forward to the show that Vivek has curated. And yeah, that's
What do you say about the collections? Like, any of your favorite collections from the show?
I'm looking forward to see what would be my favorite. Excited to pick a favorite collection from in there. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Your association with Vivek, sir, you would like to say anything about it?
Oh.
About NIF?
Vivek is a wonderful person, and I know him for over a year now, and I think whatever he's bringing out through this design institute is super credible, and it's absolutely great with designing that whatever the institute has been doing for their students. So I think it's super great.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a wonderful show. I remember we were auditioning for the models, and I was very happy because I saw each and every, whatever the things we have been organized were so minutely taken care. I feel this is the foundation of a successful entrepreneur. These all participants who were putting in their efforts is all because of his institution and the way he has been nurturing them. So congratulations, is actually making stars. And like these young minds, basically they are the Gen Next, and as I saw that many of the his participants are already being, you can say, being given an opportunity to work with the ace designers of our country. I feel this is the milestone which he and the entire team has been dedicated to. So I really want to congratulate you and the entire team for this, and I'm very happy to be a part of this. In fact, these things will be covered in the Perfect Woman forthcoming edition. But I feel more than that, I would like to hire few of the designers for my shoots also. In fact, I'm shooting on Tuesday, and his designers, I really loved the collection. See, it is very easy to be an individual, but it takes efforts of the coach and mentors so that they curve themselves in the bright future. And this is what is the efforts of his team. And I saw it, and I was really very happy for this. So you'll see the collections on my cover also. So congratulations.
And I'm the guest of Khushi ma'am actually. And today the show was very good. See, every student had lot of hard work and dedication behind them. It is a show of like five minutes of ramp, but it takes lots of dedication, hard work for everyone here. All our students are very good looking and very beautiful actually. I enjoyed a lot, and I hope I want to introduce few of my friends also to the institute and bring them up. Thank you. I enjoyed the show.
जो गारमेंट था वो हमारे डिज़ाइनर जो लास्ट ईयर पास आउट हुए थे और आज उन्होंने उनको डिज़ाइन किया। प्लीज़।
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. It was really great experience to design for Tina ma'am. It was really amazing. I really loved working on that piece. Every movement, every element of that piece was really memorable to me. Thank you so much.
अपना नाम तो बताओ।
Myself Janisha Rupani. I am a fashion designer and ex-alumni of NIF College. It was a really great show, and I know the sweats which goes behind the show, even for the faculties, even for the students. It was really amazing collections to see, really amazing thing to know that each and every student of the college is growing, learning new things and every experiences. So yeah, it was really great. Thank you so much.
Lalit Rajpal. I am a plastic surgeon. So Mr. Vivek had invited me for this event. It was a wonderfully arranged, and hats off to Vivek and his team for nurturing such a talented artist. I am amazed how with their creations. It is superb. Everything was organized superbly, and the talent that it's coming out of NIFD is to another level. And I wish Team NIFD all the best.
Gautam for their graduate show, and congratulations to all the students. It was really a nice and next gen show.
The graduates. Okay, hi, I'm Mamta Gautam. I'm the center head of NIF Global Andheri, Bandra and Thane. And this graduate platform is made specially for the students who have finished their education, the degree program or a diploma program of 2 or 3 years, and they are launching themselves into the industry. It's a great platform wherein they learn right from what they have studied for 3 years to put it together and showcase it into a collection. Today was such a proud moment for both Vivek and me, because we've seen the students not being able to draw a line, today being able to showcase a final collection. It was a great feeling. Thank you.
Thank you for everyone to be present here and making it grand, So it's not only our effort, it is, as I said, it is a teamwork. And teamwork को बनाने से बेहतर और कौन हो सकता है जब घर में हमारे टीम मेंबर हो, तो इससे बड़ी खुशी नहीं हो सकती और इससे बड़ा स्ट्रेंथ नहीं हो सकता है. So this strength is there, and we should every year again present with more and more better designs and more better innovation and more new talent to you all. Thank you.
About the experience, it was such grand, and look at this outfit. It made the winning statement, and I would say this was my greatest opportunity to work with this amazing budding designers, and it's lovely connection, and the collection they have made, it was such beautiful and amazing, outstanding, and it was such an amazing experience. You could see now.
I watched the designer, they are very good, and I think they can go up to the international level. That's I'm very confident about the designers.
I'm the show director for the Graduate Show 2025. So now this show is by NIF Andheri, Bandra, Thane, and this is a platform for students where they can showcase their aesthetics. This is a platform where they start their brand, and I'm sure in upcoming days and upcoming years, months, you will see all of them flourishing their brand in the market. And kudos to Team NIF. Thank you. It is a mixed blend. It's a mix of different palette, different color palette, different blends of themes. You'll find a theme which is from dark gothic, which is from historic era. You'll also find a Hercules theme, which is Achilles, which is again based on a warrior, but at the same time you have street side theme as well as evening gown. So it's a mixed bunch of everything, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you.
And I'm a graduate student of this NIF Andheri. I'm showcasing today. Yeah.
What would you like to say about the fashion show?
I feel honored that I'm able to showcase my creativity in this amazing platform, and I just wish that my creativity is shown to the world so that people can see and just have fun with it. Yeah.
And I'm really thankful for this opportunity given by NIF Andheri. So as you can see, our collections have already gone live now. So do feel free to go through them. It's a year full of hard work, and I hope you can experience the journey as we have experienced. All of us have worked really hard on developing each and every piece that you see over here. So it's all blood, sweat and tears, and we all just hope that you like it as much as we have, the amount of pains that we have taken. We just hope you really love it. That's it.
And this is Jasnoor, and we were really fortunate to model for NIF students, the graduate students. The designs were amazing, the collection was good, and me as an androgynous model, I really got the opportunity to showcase the world that people are still into androgynous modeling, and it needs a lot of awareness, and it needs to be out there. So I'm really thankful. Acceptance, yeah, exactly. So I'm really thankful to NIF Andheri and everyone to give me that opportunity.
It was for me an iconic experience, and I loved it. It was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
What would you like to say about the fashion show about tonight?
The fashion show, the one which is happening right now, definitely amazing designs to look forward to, and the students have worked really hard for this. So definitely go to go for that.
My name is Rahul Sharma, fashion photographer and image consultant by profession, image consultant at Vishik Image Consultancy. I've traveled and shot in more than 49 countries around the world, and now since it's been a while, almost 2 years, I came to India, and Vivek came in my life like an angel. And when I met him, I was like, this is it. There's no need for me to go back to the States again. There's something that we can definitely work together out, because me being an image consultant and a fashion photographer, and he having his own institute of fashion, and there was a lot that we could bring in together. We are looking for many more future collaborations between NIF Fashion Institute and Vishik Image Consultancy to bring the youth, to teach the youth values for today, which they can incorporate in their day-to-day lives, and which can also help them be the best version of themselves. Thank you very much.
What would you like to say about the show? Are you excited tonight for the show?
Absolutely. This is I'm representing Vishik Image Consultancy. I'm super excited for the show, and I'm really looking for many more collaborations in future with NIF and Vishik Image Consultancy.
Dongre, and I'm showcasing my final collection at the Graduate Show 25, and I'm really glad that my college gave me this opportunity.
What would you like to say about the show happening today?
The show was really good so far, and I'm really excited for the show right now in my collection to be showcased. And there's been a lot of back and forth and a lot of hustle going around to make this work, and I feel it's going to be a really amazing show.
Can you just tell us about what are you showcasing? What is your collection?
My collection name is the Heaven Lore. So basically my inspiration is the European Baroque church, where I have taken inspiration from the aesthetics of the Baroque church and tried to put it in a modern way.
You have to tell something about Vivek sir, how is this all going and how he is guiding you in all this.
Vivek sir has always been supportive and encouraging towards all the students, always want us to do something or the other every now and then, and he's the best.
Hi everyone, my name is Tashvisha, and I'm here at the Graduate Show 25 to present my graduation collection Achilles. So it was based on a Greek warrior, and I wanted to bring out his masculinity and vulnerability but into a feminine silhouette, and give a contrast through a modern lens of femininity.
What would you say about the Vivek sir, about the founder?
He is actually a really helpful person, and he actually supports us in everything, and if we are facing any issues, he's just there for us to fix it within a second.
Are you excited for tonight's show?
Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm actually looking forward also for the new era that is about to begin. Thank you sir.
कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ मैं, और ये शो देख के मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है, और ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया गया है न्यू टैलेंट को दिया गया है, न्यू डिज़ाइनर्स को दिया गया प्लेटफॉर्म है, और यहाँ पे उन्होंने अपना काम शोकेस किया है और देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे। और विवेक जी ने जो अरेंजमेंट की है वो काफ़ी बहुत अच्छी की है, और नए लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करेंगे विवेक जी के थ्रू।
और कुछ कहना चाहिए आप शो के बारे में?
शो तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, और नए टैलेंट देखने का मौका मिला है, और लोगों ने अपना टैलेंट शोकेस भी किया है, और ये अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है। मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि इनके यहाँ एनरोल करें और अपने टैलेंट को शोकेस करें यहाँ पर।
आपको कौन से कलेक्शंस बहुत बेहतरीन लगे, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स लगे, जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये थोड़ा बाहर में जाना चाहिए?
ये सारे कलेक्शन अच्छे थे, सारे कलेक्शन अच्छे थे, मुझे अच्छे लगे सारे कलेक्शन। ओके,
Then we'll ask you questions.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Dipit and I'm a designer for the brand Line Outline. I am a visiting faculty at INIFT Andheri, and I'm really excited to be here to see what my kids have done.
What would you say about the show? Are you excited for the show?
I am very excited to see the finale show today and to see how the children have performed. And of course, this is just a starting journey for a lot of these kids in the industry.
Out of the collection, any of your favorite collections which you like?
It'll be very difficult for me to pick and choose since they're all the kids that I've taught. So I think I'll just wish them all the very best for the future that awaits them.
Hi, I'm Neha Bani. I'm third year graduate student.
What would you like to say about the fashion show happening today?
The fashion show today was incredibly beautiful. I'm very excited that I had this opportunity to showcase my collection, and I'm really grateful that I had this platform to showcase. Thank you so much to Vivek sir, Mamta ma'am, and every faculty I have here.
What would you like to say about Vivek sir, about NIF? Anything?
This 3 years have made me realize who I am as a designer and who I am as a person. And I'm really happy that every faculty has been there throughout the entire process, throughout all the 3 years which I have been here. So I'm really grateful that they all were there for me. So thank you to all of them.
Out of the collections, which is your favorite one? If you have to pick one.
Actually, it was the one with the pleats and the zippers. It was really amazing garment. That was my showstopper. And yeah, it was really challenging, but it was really great as well.
Jill Kimsia, I'm a graduate student from NIF. I'm going to present today. My collection name is Marka. It is based on African tribe that is named as Karo. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.
What would you like to say about the collection?
So the collection is very tribal. It is made with, in a sense of tribal and modern silhouettes. So I think it's good for women who like to be bold and comfortable with it.
So in this years, how Vivek sir has inspired you? How Vivek sir has guided you?
Mamta ma'am and Vivek sir have been our pillars. They are the one who has brought us till here. They are the one who has brought our dream to life. So it's totally amazing to learn at NIF.